na nababaw kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, nandito po ako ngayon sa Guagua, Pampanga, and this is the busy street of sa harapan po ng kanilang munisipyo. Ayan, so we were invited guys for the grand opening of some stalls dito po sa malapit po sa Plaza Burgos. So we're gonna go there and we're gonna join them in their celebration. Let's go!
Congratulations, Madam Lina Cabrera, and good luck po kayong business nyo.
Congrats, Ma'am Lina. Good luck po kayong bayong business.
Congrats po, Ma'am Lina Cabrera, kayong bayo yung opening business kay Guagua. Good luck po and God bless.
Alright guys, so that's it. That's the place. So sa loob nun, meron samgyupsalan, meron ding cafe, meron ding boutique shop, and parang may pwesto din ng mga baratilyo. Ayun guys, so thank you so much One Pub Cafe for this very refreshing coffee.
Congratulations po, Ma'am Lina. Sana po ma-bless siya po yung bayo yun na naman business na bakal na ko na naman po ang asawa pa, kabalenta mo, nakapundang ala salamat. Sana po yung blessing po, mag-continue po. May God bless you always, Ma'am, and also your family po. God bless po.
So ayun guys, very intimate celebration and inauguration. Mapansin nyo guys, this place is going to be a samgyupsal. So ang pangalan niya ay Samgyupsam. Samgyupsam. So another kainan. Ito yung Taco Sencho. Ayan, Taco Sencho. Isa ring na-feature natin dito before is yung Appleberry. Ayan, si Appleberry. There you go. So if you're looking for some hard to find items, branded, mga damit, mga OOTD, you gotta check out, ayan, Appleberry. And then, yan, so this one is mga punda, meron din mga shades, meron din, of course, mga pang OOTD, parang baratilyo na rin. Alright, so ayan guys, congratulations to the business owners of this place. Good luck po sa inyong mga business, and for those of us who are looking for another place to hang out dito po sa Guagua, this is the right place and another option. Katabing-katabi lang po niya yung Immaculate Conception School, and just behind or side nung kanilang munisipyo po dito po sa Guagua. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Pampanga. Another celebration, another event that is very memorable to the owners. Congratulations to you guys. Thank you for watching Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye.